Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can enable the WinForms Toolbox in your Visual Studio. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to enable the WinForms Toolbox in Visual Studio, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So normally, the WinForms Toolbox is supposed to appear right here on the left side of your Visual Studio when you're working on a Windows Forms application, but it might not show due to some reasons such as being hidden, or you might have accidentally disabled it. But don't worry, you're lucky that you're watching this video, since I will show you how you can enable it again fast and easily. So for the first step, I want you to click the View menu right here at the top. And after you click the View menu, you'll be presented with various options, but among these options, I want you to look down near the bottom, and then you will now be able to see the Toolbox option right here. Just go and click it to enable and show your WinForms Toolbox once again. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your WinForms Toolbox back, so you can start using it to drag and drop controls like buttons, text boxes, and labels onto your form application. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.